want to make a delicious juice with orange, mango, milk, and Yakult. Let's go! Now we want to put all the mango and all the orange to the blender. So we put the milk over to the blender. Now we put the Yakult also in the blender. Let's go make a delicious juice. Let's go blender it. I don't want to make any noise because the blender is very strong.
So, mommy blender it for you?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Let's do out. I have my eyes on my glass. Let mommy pour my juice.
Okay, I have you to pour.
Yummy. So sweet. Yummy. So delicious. It smells to be yummy. Yummy. It smells to be Yakult juice. I like it. I like it. Apple and Mama, I have a delicious juice for you.
Thank you.
It's not to be you. It's not to be a Amma.
It's a mama.
So, where is Akong juice?
Lemon punya juice drink lah.
Where's Akong juice?
Drink.
This is Amma.
Are you sure?
Mommy, can you please make me another juice? Apple, the juice is not to be for you.
Okay, thank you.
Now we put the Yakult also in the blender. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Apple, this is Apple and Amma. I have my delicious
To achieve the
juice.
correct burn, the main
Thank you.
fast
No, it's not for you.
forward 5 seconds.